Hello guys, welcome to the channel where we discuss the LeetCode DSA based questions and we are moving from easy to hard. तो आज भी हमारा एक easy session है, like from Roman integer हमें convert करनी है. Okay, let's jump to the question. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols, which are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, and we all know the values to them. अगर नहीं पता है, then you can refer it here. And we all know how to write Roman numbers, like double I is 2, X double I is 12. Okay. So Roman numbers are usually written from largest to smallest, from left to right. However, the numerals for 4 is not 4 times I. Instead, it is V and I. Okay. Here is the trick. जैसे कि अगर हमारा left side, okay, let me take it as first and second. Okay. ये हमारा फर्स्ट सिंबल है, सेकंड सिंबल है. ओके, फर्स्ट सिंबल आई एम टेकिंग आई एंड सेकंड सिंबल आई एम टेकिंग वी. ओके, if my second is greater than first, then we will do second minus first. Okay, second minus first. Okay, अब जैसे यहाँ देखते हैं, this I stands for 1 and V stands for 5, right? So second is 5 is greater than 1. We know that, right? 5 is greater than 1. So what we will do? 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. So this will be our output, means this IV is 4. But if we see here as first and second, and here first is V and second is I, here second is and first, here second is less than first. Okay, then what we will do? We will add F plus S. We will do first plus second, means I stands for 5 and 5, V stands for 5 and I stands for 1, which is equals to 6. Okay, but if first is equals to second, like our first is I and second is also I, then we will do again adding for F plus S, means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, so this is our basic logic which we all have to go through. And let's see here, given Roman numerals will be converted into integer. हमें Roman को integer में convert करना है. Okay, so let's jump to the coding, and this is the example I have given you. I hope this example is clear to you guys. Here we are using has map, and we need a character and integer to hold the values h equals to new has map. Okay, and now what we will do, we need to store all the symbols and values. So we will do h dot put. Okay, let me leave it. H dot put I comma I. Here we don't need double parenthesis. Here we need only single parenthesis. I comma 1, because value of I here is this. H dot put V is 5. X 10. We will put the whole value similarly. Let me do it fast for you. we will just store the whole value like this, 1000. Okay, what we are doing is we are holding like the value of the symbols are what? Like for I is 1, V is 5. So with the help of hash map, we can do it very easily. And what we said, we move from left to right, right? So here we want one previous value, which and one result where we will store the value of the symbols. Okay. And we know we will go through the string here. We have already given a string. So we have to follow from left to right. So for int I is equals to s dot length. Okay. Here parenthesis must क्योंकि हमें string use कर रहे हैं. And I is greater than equals to 0. I minus minus. Okay. See. And now what we will do कि हमें क्या है string की last value जो है जैसे कि अगर हमारे यहाँ पे string हमारा दे रखा है IP. ओके तो हमारा लास्ट वी कहीं स्टोर होना चाहिए पहले. ओके तो वी विल टेक वन मोर वैल्यू इन val where we will store the last value of the string like the first value from this. Okay, it means we have to store 5, so we will do h dot get where what s dot character at what I जो हमारी लास्ट वैल्यू उसकी वैल्यू चाहिए. ओके एंड here we don't go for length, we will go for length minus 1 क्योंकि लेंथ हमारे 0 से काउंट में होती है, but we need our index. Okay, फिर क्या होता है अब what we will do here we will check if the value what value is here is less than the previous value. Okay, if it is less what we will do I have explained you guys, we will do minus, so result minus equals to previous whatever the previous value whatever the value is we will subtract it. Okay, else what we will do else we will add. Okay, so result plus equals to value. Okay, and now what we will do after this we will store this previous value as of what value we have, right? Okay, whatever the value is. Now we have to do return result. Okay, so let's run and see whether it runs or not. I hope it is very clear. मैंने बहुत सॉरी आईडी मैंने तो कमेंट नहीं कर सॉरी फॉर दिस आई हैव सीन दिस. ओके ये आईवी मेरी हटानी पड़ेगी मुझे. See all the test cases are passed. Click submit and see all the test cases are passed. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.